Okay, in IT department also we can configure the Eigrp routing protocol and enable the direct connected interface. So in the direct connected interface of router 1 we can enable that Eigrp routing protocol. Now we can go to the EC department. In the EC department we can configure the Eigrp routing protocol. So first of all we can go to that global mode. So in global mode we can configure the Eigrp routing protocol. So the syntax for configuring Eigrp routing protocol is IP version 6 space router space Eigrp. Then we can give the autonomous system number. So the autonomous system number here we can give 1. Then only it forms the neighbor relationship. Enter. Okay. Now in EC department we can assign the router ID. So router -ID. So router ID is an 32-bit address. It is an IP version 4 address. So here I will assign 3.3.3.3. Next we can enable this protocol using the command no shutdown exit. Okay, we can configure the Eigrp routing protocol on EC department. Now in this router the direct connected interface have 3 interface: one local area interface fast Ethernet 0/0 and WAN interface serial 0/0/0 and serial 0/0/1. So in the 3 interface we can enable the Eigrp routing protocol. So first of all we can go to that particular interface fast Ethernet 0/0. So the syntax for enabling Eigrp routing protocol is IP version 6 then Eigrp 1 exit interface serial 0/0/0 IP version 6 space Eigrp 1 exit. Next interface serial 0/0/1 IP version 6 Eigrp 1 exit. Okay, now we can configure the Eigrp routing protocol into EC department. Finally we can configure the Eigrp routing protocol into EEE department. So we can go to that particular router interface. In global mode we can configure the Eigrp routing protocol. So the syntax for configuring Eigrp routing protocol is IP version 6 space router space Eigrp. Next we can give the autonomous system number. So here we can give 1. Then only it forms the neighbor relationship. So the autonomous system number should be same on all the router. Enter. Next we can give the router ID. So router -ID. So the router ID is an 32-bit address. So here I will assign as 4.4.4 no shutdown to enable this protocol exit. Okay, now we can configure the Eigrp routing protocol. Now the direct connected interface we can enable that Eigrp routing protocol. So first of all we can go to that interface fast Ethernet 0/0. So the syntax for enabling Eigrp routing protocol is IP version 6 space Eigrp. Next we can give the autonomous system number exit interface serial 0/0/0 IP version 6 Eigrp. Then we can give the autonomous system number 1 exit interface serial 0/0/1 IP version 6 Eigrp is 1 exit. Okay, now we can configure the Eigrp routing protocol into CEC department, IT department, EC department and EEE department. So the CEC department and EC department and EEE department, IT department, so all the network can advertise its network to its neighboring router. So CEC department in this router can learn all the network about ECE, EEE and IT. So CEC department can ping to ECE and EEE department means it can be pinging. Okay, we can check. Go to the global mode. Go to the privilege mode. In privilege mode we can give show IP version 6 space route. Yeah, here we can see D/D indicates the Eigrp routing protocol. So the D means it will learn the network from the other network. D. Yeah, here we can see D indicates the Eigrp. So the autonomous system number the administrative distance value is 90. If it is internal means the autonomous administrative distance is 90. If it is external means 170.